This short video tutorial explains how to create and assign a manager role to one or several users of your Finlens platform. Your Finlens platform allows you to have specific roles to manage it. In the list of users, an administrator can be recognized by the blue icon marked Admin. A Finlens user with the administrator role can create and assign specific manager roles to other users. For a given product, a manager can edit the overview page, edit the fact sheet, and manage the documents page. If you are an admin and you want to give manager rights for a specific product to another user, go to the Platform Settings tab and then to the Roles tab. Click on the Edit button to create or modify roles. For each role, you can choose which of the platform's products the manager role applies to. To assign a manager role to a user, go to the List of Users tab, find the user in question, and choose the roles you want to assign. Click on the Change Roles button to save your changes. Thank you for watching our short explanatory video on how to give manager rights to other users. We trust that you found it helpful and informative. Please note that to access this subsection within the admin area, you must have admin or product manager rights. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.